staring at the floor, counting little cracks in the tile, struggling to smile without choking, learning to be silent. Watching how the dust dances out the door, noticing my hands start to shake, contemplating taking up smoking, learning to be silent. Always hearing, hush, Ethel, please, Vi, let's not have this conversation. And so I stand by while my mind takes a small vacation. La 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 la. Making little sounds other folks ignore, quieting the beat of my heart, never being part of the moment, learning to be silent. Some topics that we don't even mention, and if they come up, then we try to be brief. There are subjects from which we divert all attention. Some we avoid like a plague. I'm becoming a man, biting my tongue, biding my time, trying not to scream, managed it before, knowing if I'm going to survive, then damn it!